To enjoy life. Life is so short that
it doesn't matter what other people say. See your life.
Hi guys. So magandang hapon sa inyo, no? So guys, eto. Kung naalala nyo yung mga vlog natin noon na gumagawa tayo sa Saudi Arabia nung mga yung in-interview natin yung mga kababayan natin doon regarding sa mga motivational question, ganun, para lang at least ma-motivate natin yung mga kababayan natin, no? Well, ngayon guys, naisipan ko. So since tinuloy-tuloy na natin yung pamimigay natin ng bulaklak noong Mother's Day, kung naalala nyo. So ngayon naman guys, eto, itutuloy-tuloy na rin natin dito yung pag-interview, hindi lang sa mga kababayan kundi dito sa mga Canadian, sa mga lokal na naandito, no? So tatanungin natin sila. Okay? So ito ang tanong natin ngayon. What is your best life advice? So yun yung tanong natin sa ngayon. Okay? So yun guys, samahan nyo ko at sana ma-execute natin ng maayos to. So guys, yun, let's go. What is your best life advice?
Your best life advice: be honest in everything you say.
Be happy. Simple as that.
Best advice?
Yeah.
Don't hesitate on a good opportunity.
Best life advice: don't do what other people say, just do your own thing. Honestly, it doesn't matter what other people say. See your life.
My best life advice would be, to learn from people who have gone through life before us. Our grandparents, uncles, aunts, just to take their life experiences and apply it to your own.
I think not to take yourself too seriously, to enjoy life. Life is so short that sometimes problems come and go. It's ups and downs all the time. You just try to keep your positive attitude at all times.
Do what makes you happy. Yeah, and have fun.